Today on this video we're going to install the 1.9 Steel Trails Beadlock wheels from SSD on the TRX 4 Sport. We're going to pair them with the Proline dual stage foam and the stock TRX 4 Sport Canyon Trail 1.9 tire. For the tires, I just put them in boiling water till the glue comes off, and you can just remove the stock rims and foams. To start, you're gonna need to take out the 6 screws here, and then the beadlock, the rim is gonna separate like this, and this ring will go into the tire. Well, you'll need to put the foam first, but the ring will go in the tire, and here you need to make sure that the rubber on each side goes inside the ring, just where this little lip here is. There's like a space where it's more thick here. It needs to go on each side, the bigger part of the rubber here. And then this goes on each side of the wheel, and you tighten it down. Here's a time lapse that'll show you me putting it all together. So here's the tire when it's done. You'll have on each side, you see they're quite tightly on there. And when you tighten it down, make sure to go like on a car in a star shape when you're like tightening the screws down. But that's them all built up. Let's see what they look like on the truck. So I've got them on. In my opinion, they look pretty good. So now let's go try them out.